Median function returns the median or the numbers in the middle of the set of given numbers. In number 1 argument, select the numbers or names, arrays or cell references that contains numbers from which you want the median. You can add up to 255 numbers argument in function arguments dialog box. In number 1 box, select this cell references range. There are 7 numbers in this range. The median number between the numbers 3 and 5 is 4. As a result, function will return 4 in this cell. Click OK. Function returns 4 as a median number between 3 and 5 from this range. Activate this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Scroll down. Click Median function. In number 1 box, select this cell references range. Click OK. Function returns 6 in this cell. There are 5 numbers in this range. The median number between 8 and 3 is 6. Function consider this number 6 as median number in this range. As a result, it returns number 6 in formula result. Activate this cell. Click Median function. In number 1 box, select this cell references range. Click OK. Function returns 6 in this cell. There are 4 numbers in this range. The median number between 7 and 5 is 6. As a result, function returns 6 in this cell. In this way, you can find the midway point between two numbers by using median function.